Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to improve your health and well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of many battling arthritis effectively. Arthritis can be a debilitating condition, but with the right approach, you can manage it and even see significant improvements in a short period. If you're looking to see quick results and transform your health, I've got just the protocol for you. This method has helped countless individuals regain their mobility and reduce pain. First off, a quick disclaimer. The severity of arthritis varies, so results can differ. What works for one person might not work for another, but it's worth giving it a try. But by following this daily, many have seen noticeable improvements in just about a month. Imagine feeling more energetic and less in pain in just 30 days. Curious to know how? Let's get right into it. This protocol is simple yet effective, and it involves a few key steps that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Step 1. Consider starting with a 2-day fast. This might sound daunting, but it's a great way to kickstart your journey to better health. This is optional, but it's about detoxifying your body and giving yourself a clean slate. Fasting can help reset your system and prepare it for the changes ahead. It's like hitting the reset button on your system. During these 2 days, make sure to stay hydrated and listen to your body. Step 2, and this one's crucial. Apple cider vinegar. This natural remedy has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Twice a day, mix 2 tablespoons of it in 8 ounces of water. It's simple but effective. You can drink it in the morning and evening for the best results. The idea here is to help reduce inflammation and provide some pain relief. Apple cider vinegar is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a game changer for those with arthritis. Moving on to step 3. Cut out white flour from your diet completely. This might be one of the most challenging steps, but it's incredibly important. Yes, it sounds tough, but it's super important. White flour can cause spikes in blood sugar and increase inflammation, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. White flour can increase inflammation, and that's exactly what we're trying to avoid. Instead, opt for whole grains, which are much healthier and can help reduce inflammation. Step 4. For the first 2 weeks, eat fresh cherries daily. Cherries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help fight arthritis. Cherries are not just delicious, they're packed with antioxidants and compounds that help fight inflammation and reduce arthritis symptoms. These little fruits can make a big difference in how you feel. And last but definitely not least, step 5. Drink at least 2 liters of filtered or mineral water every day. Hydration is key to maintaining overall health. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining overall health and can help ease joint pain. Water helps lubricate your joints and can make movement less painful. Before we wrap up, let me say this. Thank you for tuning in. Your health is important, and taking these steps can make a significant difference. I truly hope you find this protocol as useful and beneficial as many others have. Remember, consistency is key, and sticking to these steps can lead to amazing results. I wish you the very best of health going forward. Take care of yourself and stay committed to your health journey. Remember, taking control of your health is one of the most powerful steps you can take in life. You've got this. Every small step you take towards better health is a victory. Remember, everyone's journey is different, but staying committed to these steps can truly transform your health. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Persistence is key. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Cheers to taking control of your health and living a life free from the pain of arthritis.